Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining us on Vacation Station TV, your virtual getaway. Look.
Hello everyone.
Miss Marie. Miss Marie.
It's snowing.
It's snow. There it is.
Can they see it?
Yeah, I can see it. We're driving down. This is Wares Valley Road heading into Pigeon Forge. And it's been really weird. You can't hear it, but it's more like an ice snow than just snow. Earlier it was just snow. Now you can hear it hitting the car. So the temperatures change and it causes it to create ice. So I'm going to see what's going on. Because I know you like watching that stuff. We do too. We like going out, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
You like driving out in this? Did you have a good weekend this
Yes,
week?
I do.
Nice. You got 2 days off, right?
Now I got my 2 days
2 days
off.
off.
Yay.
You already cooked, and you're going to cook again, right? I sure hope so.
What would you like?
Definitely not beef ribs.
Chicken?
Chicken is good. Can't have too much beef, as you know. But the snow is coming down. Now, they're not expecting a large accumulation of snow, but it's nice to look at. Coming up on the intersection of 321 and Parkway in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, where if you lived here, you'd be home by now.
No, it's not a lot of tourists right now. 'Cause
No.
It's a Sunday. And then the weather.
Yeah, and there's really nothing going on. You know, there's
the
no
snow
events.
is getting thicker and then getting thinner and
Yes.
then thicker.
It comes and it goes. I think we had our dose of snow last week when we had that 2-3 inches.
Mm-hmm.
I don't. They didn't say this.
Do you think it'll do that again
Nah, I don't think so.
because of rain?
It just isn't there. You know, they weren't saying large accumulations or anything like that. I don't know if I guess they're open. I do have 2 cameras going because I can easily just switch this. Miss Marie and I. There's Miss Marie there.
Hello, how are you?
She's enjoying the snow. I'm enjoying the snow. It's like, you know, she's here. Because people always ask me about Miss Marie. And once in a while, I unchain her from the dungeon. Right, honey? Clean you up. Throw you in the car for a little while. Definitely is traffic heading into Gatlinburg, though. I'm not going to take the bypass tonight.
Yeah, let's go to
The main way.
let's
Not
go
the
to
bypass.
Gatlinburg.
We're here. We're in Gatlinburg right now. Out. Elderly abuse, 1-800 broken bones.
Broken one.
Broken bones. Please call. Is your seat nice and warm? Yes, my
See,
love.
I cannot drive this far.
Why? Why did I buy it for you?
Because I.
The hell did I do?
Well, you know, I can drive it, but I probably would panic. It's
Why would you panic?
because it's too far now to drive.
It's 5 miles.
Exactly.
It's nothing. It's
I'm
less
not-
than going from the house to the traders.
I'm not used to. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Then probably I can drive that.
Mm-hmm. It's just different. That's all.
You know, it feels different when you're in the driving seat.
Yes. Totally different, right? And I
Yeah.
told you it would.
That's the reason why I said what I said.
Yeah. You'd panic.
I'd probably panic.
That's always good to know. That's so reassuring being the passenger that you're going to panic. I'm going to panic.
I mean, if I would be the driver,
Yeah.
because I'm not used to driving all the way down here.
Yeah, but it's a really
non-stop.
straight
I mean,
ride.
yes, of course, traffic lights, but
God, I hate this bumpy part of it. You got to go to the right. It's for whatever reason it's not as bumpy. It shakes the camera. So here we are. We're in Gatlinburg, and I can't tell. I don't see anybody up at the coasters up there.
they're closed, honey.
Oh, they
You
are?
didn't see the sign?
No, I didn't. It's closed for season, or just closed.
Just closed, I guess, today.
Could be.
Nobody here, too.
Nobody. I think they closed for the season. Hillbilly. They finally put signs here. I was wondering when they were going. How many times I've seen
What do you
people.
mean signs
These
of what?
blinking signs, crosswalk, because people just blow through this with people walking down in the middle of the road. Tourists, oh, hey, look at that. It's a bargain over there.
Okay.
Hmm?
Driving tourists? Or
No,
they're
walking,
tourists?
crossing the road.
They just...
People weren't paying attention, like over here. Now, I don't know if they have lights here yet. I'm assuming they will put them there because these can be very dangerous. See where the walking signs are? No, they
what
don't.
about it?
I don't see any lights on those. The ones behind us had blinking yellow lights. Probably they put that there because somebody got hit. That's the only time the DOT does that. When somebody gets hit or a fatality. They go, oh, we need to put a light up now.
Let's spend $1 million.
Yeah. Not cheap to put in lawn. Here we are. We're in Gatlinburg. There are people there at the crosswalk.
Are we going to park?
No.
Okay.
No. I can't walk yet.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Forgot.
Yeah. How quick we forget.
How quick it is.
Yeah.
Look at this. So nice.
Yeah.
It's almost February.
Anakista does. I can't tell if there are people there. I can't. This Baker roofing truck keeps slowing down. There are people on there. No, it's not moving. It's definitely not.
The great outdoors maybe.
They're doing work.
Huh?
No, there's a gondola. It's moving. Okay. So I guess you could go on Anakista. See, I don't know when they decide to shut these things down. Does it have to be ice, rain? Just discretionary? So what I'm doing here is there. Camera 1, 2, and 3 are going. I got 3 cameras. Remember, we're the only ones who offer you multiple cameras. Everyone else just sticks their phone out the window. Oh, God. Turn that fan down a little bit. It's nice out, though. It's not. It's 32 degrees. Mostly cloudy, snowy skies in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Mary and I are taking a drive. We had some stuff to buy. And I held her captive. Said we're going to Gatlinburg. Right, honey?
Right, honey?
All right, dearest? Worship the water you walk on. Even on a Sunday, the tourists are here. See a lot of kids, so I'm assuming, are they with a church group or are they still out of school? Can't imagine they're still out of school. The window's open so you can hear what's going on. Mostly kids. We're taking a holiday snack.
When they had a fire, it's a good thing that local bureau did not.
It was closed, I remember. It burned all these right up to
Yeah,
the
but
beginning.
it
Didn't do it. I wonder if they were hoping it did. They could build a new deck. You know, restaurant guys, restaurant owner. Well, nobody gets hurt. Build a new deck.
Imagine that, this experience.
People sometimes wait
Different.
all year for this. See, no, I don't see. Is it moving?
Uh-uh.
It's moving, but there's nobody on it. Nobody's on it. I don't think I'd want to sit on those cold.
Well, they do, but look.
Yeah, two people there.
Well, they do shop though.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that's nice. The snow is coming inside the car now.
You like that?
A little bit.
A little
not much,
bit.
but the wind's blowing. Look at this guy trying to be, I'm strong. I don't have a beanie on. Guys, I want to have an expensive burger
And soggy fries.
and a soggy fries.
See these flakes here, these are heavier, thicker flakes. This is skiing flakes.
What?
The difference from being down in the valley, it was icy. This is snow. This is regular snow. Height has everything to do with it.
Oh, look at those kids, those babies.
Oh,
You're gonna get sick.
They're not gonna get sick. They're all bundled up. She's such a mother. You're so motherly. You know?
And you don't like that because you think
Oh, you're like that to me.
yeah, because you think I'm smothering you.
Oh, well. Every time she chases me around the house with a beanie to put it on. Right? Don't you?
Yeah,
Deny you lie. Lie you deny.
I'm your wife.
I know.
That's the end of it.
She has spoken. Yes, El Presidente. You want to show everybody how you smile? Yes, El Presidente. Definitely a surprising crowd for a Sunday, I think. Normally it's not like this.
Don't you want to go through?
What do you mean? Go through where?
Gatlinburg is Smoky Mountain National Park.
You mean straight through? See what the snow looks like? Okay. Yes, El Presidente.
Honey.
I know. I gotta listen to you. See, when I'm by myself, I just go where I want to go. But right now,
Because I know you're going to go through and right.
I can't until this little Honda turn makes a left. There we go. This little Honda. So we just left Gatlinburg. Now we're in the Smoky Mountain National Park, just like that. Light number 10. Boom.